I'm afraid to like take a sip of anything because it's just gonna ruin it. I always say that. It's just one of those things. Also, spring's right around the corner, and I know my allergies are gonna start to pick up. Yay! Yay me! I dread that. Ugh. Hiccups. Hiccups are something else, though. Which I feel like sneezing is more annoying than the hiccups for me. But the hiccups do hurt. So maybe it's hiccups.